Myron, tell me a little about your F100 1979 pickup, 65,000 about original miles.
I bought it from the original owner who bought it new. He got it when he was in the service. He picked it up at Dearborn, Michigan, drove it home. It was parked for over 20 years. He brought it out of storage. He tried buffing it out, buffed through this paint. Nobody could match it, so it's got fresh paint job on it.
Yes, an excellent
It's
paint
got
job.
rust-free, no rust in it at all. The box was rotted out, so I put the new floor in the box, and I put new carpeting in it. Otherwise, it's got the original seat, original dash.
And we've got pictures of this on our website. I mean, it looks new.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and what the motor is a 302?
302.
3-speed with an overdrive?
Yeah, it's never been touched, the engine. It runs like a top.
Well, I'm telling you what, folks. When I came in here and met Myron the first day, we stopped at this pickup, and Myron about had to drag me out of the building because all I could do is sit there and look at it. It's a beautiful truck.
Yes, it is. It's very
and
nice.
You are a handyman of everything. You painted this yourself, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't?
I
thought you
wanted
did
to,
on it.
but my health wouldn't let me do it. I painted a lot of pickups, but
and you're
I
a
couldn't
mechanic.
paint
You
this
can
one.
fix anything.
Try to.
All right, Myron. Well, thank you so much,
All right.
folks. If you're looking for a pickup like this, I don't know where you're going to find one around. This is a beautiful pickup. Thank you, Myron.
Yeah.